This video demonstrates how a Sony ERS-7 robot dog can be controlled with a remote application through wireless LAN. Now the robot is running my Aibo Plus memory stick inside, and there is an iPhone 4S phone which is connected to the robot and showing its status. And in the newest version there is a motion tab where I can control the motion if I want. Now the robot is walking, so let's say lie, and the robot will lie down. And there are some advanced controls to control the walk functions of the robot with the phone itself. So let's say start control, and now the robot is standing up. And I have some additional interface where I click it to use the accelerometer, and now it's initialized to standing state. So if I'm turning the phone to left, then it will make the robot start to turn left. If I'm moving back to the starting position, then the robot will go back to standing. And if I'm just turning the phone forward a bit, then it will make the robot start to go forward, and we can control the robot motions with this. Now let's standing back and stop the control and just go to lying position. And just let's so Aibo doesn't like to be moved by others, so he was a bit annoyed by this. But now let's see, my application is running on Ubuntu Linux, and now I will say to go to the motion tab again here, and the robot is still standing. So let's start control, and the robot is standing up. And now, because I have a Lenovo X201 tablet, there is an accelerometer inside. And inside Linux I made this application to work with this laptop, so let's say yes. And now it's initialized to the standing pose, so let's move forward the laptop, and Aibo starts to go forward. And if I'm just putting back the laptop to the previous position, the robot stops moving. And I can still switch off the accelerometer control and just clicking the forward button, which will make the robot go forward. And we can just stop moving by clicking in the middle button and stop the control. And for example, just make the robot sit down, and the robot will sit down. When the robot is controlled with this start control button, then the robot motions are locked, so it will not autonomously move around. But when it's just stopped and we are just moving this lie, sit and stand buttons, we can anytime just command the robot to go this position when it just moves around on its own. So let's say to finish, just stand up, and the robot stands up. So that's it.